7, peace be with you. How you doing today? Yeah, good to see you too. 343. Dang, look at that, man. Look at that high vibration. See that? That's what you call high vibration. Huh? Big, beautiful, and strong. Yeah, just how you is. Beautiful and strong. What you talking about? And they're right. Yeah. You know. They're right, I'm telling you. Whew, beautiful day out here today. At least somebody know it. Beautiful. Beautiful wildflowers and beautiful trees. Peace be with you to all my spiritual family. And so it is.